I was born with the gift of seeing. That's why people call me the seer. I will tell you everything you need to know about yourself, both the problem and the solutions.
Yeah, hello guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I greet you according to the time you are seeing this video now. Like I said, this is your seer. I was born with the gift of seeing. That's why people call me the seer. I will tell you everything you need to know about yourself, both the problem and the solution. Alright guys, today I want to teach you guys a very powerful one. Money pot. Yes, I want to teach you guys money pot. This help to draw money to you, that you will never lack money again, and it's not something you joke with. Okay, so let's proceed guys. All right here are the materials I need. Sorry, my soul just on the ground. Here, these are the materials that we need. You need the coconut. You are going to remove this side one. Okay, when you are breaking it, break it through this side, so that this side will be the downside. This side of the three eyes will this side of the three eyes will be the downside. Then you break the up open. Okay, after you successfully breaking the up open, then you remove the side one. So you need this down one as a pot. Meanwhile, if you are needing this as a pot, let the side of three eyes be the one that will be that. So you break it open through the upper side, remove the down one. You can eat it if you like. You just need the down one as a pot, the side that has three eyes. Okay, after you have gotten this one that has three eyes, let's say now this is, you have break it open now, and this is the coconut, the downside is the three eyes. Then you get any denomination of any money you want. Okay, any amount at all. Most time I always use the highest denominator. Sometimes I use 15 naira or 500 naira. Okay, like anyone. So you put the money inside, that is inside the coconut. Now let's say this is the coconut now. Okay, put the money inside. Then the next thing you are going to do, you add enough salt to it. I don't to have all those ingredients complete in one place, please. You add enough salt to this. After you have added enough salt to it, now you can add it direct. Meanwhile, before you add it direct, you can activate it. I taught you guys how to activate salt. Okay, if you want to use salt for anything, you have to put it in your pan, spray it on it like 3 times, like so. You breathe on it 3 times. Okay, so after you have breathed on it 3 times, then you pour it enough one to the extent that this money will not be visible. You can fold it inside the pot so that the money will not be visible. Pour it so that the money, the salt will cover it. There is a native chalk. Okay, it must not be much. You can get a piece of it, put it, or you just get the powder of it, scrape the powder of it and put it inside. Okay, then when you have done adding the salt and the native chalk, then the last ingredients you will need is rice. Yes, if you can get a local rice, it's far better than a foreign rice. Okay, so you get a local rice, then you pour it inside the this. And if you are pouring the local rice, you not just pour it like that. You have to be fetching it, like you'll be cutting it like the local rice. Now you fetch it like 1. If you cannot get local rice, you can use a foreign rice, please. Okay, you fetch the local rice, you put it 1, 2, 3. You put it like 21 times. Yes, you are going to put it 21 good times. Okay, you are going to put it 21 good times. Put the foreign rice into it. That's you cut 21. That you just be fetching and be putting. Mustn't mean you must cut the one you are fetching, but you are going to fetch it and put it 21 good times. Okay, when you are done fetching the rice on it, then that's all. The ingredients are corporate on it now. Then when you are going to make prayers on it, you need a cock that have started growing. Okay, so now let's say this is the pot now that you have put everything inside. Okay, you put everything inside. Now you're going to leave it open. Just look for any corner, put it on the ground, don't put it inside cupboard where you will lock. You're going to put it in a place where you know, as in is open to the air, any corner of your house or beside where you are keeping your money. Okay, so you can keep it beside where you are keeping your money, so just keep it any corner of your hand. Then you keep it there. Then you get a cock, local cock, precisely the one I've started crying. Okay, then when you get that's one I've started crowing now, please. So when you've gotten the one I've started crowing, then you hold it, make prayers on the cock, what you want, how you want it to be drawing money to you. See, you money, you pot of money draw. I want you to be drawing money for me. This, I want it to come this way, I want it to come this way, I want it to come this way. So when you're done making prayers on it, how you want it to draw the money to you, how you want it to people to favor you with money, how you want people to always bless you with money, how you want money never you to lack money, how you want people, anybody ask for money, the person will always give you the money, how you want in the sense that They will always, anywhere you are selling, you're always getting more money every day. What you will say today will be more better. What you are going to say, what you say today, what you are going to say tomorrow will be better than what you said today. So you understand. So you make prayers on it how you want them. So don't make it prayers on that cock. Within that, you are going to keep the pot on the ground. Anywhere outside your house, shower, anywhere you can do it. Then you keep the blood on the ground. Even if you touch it, there's no problem, but not inside the pot. Just round it, okay? Just put the blood around it. Then when you are done, make it prayers on it. Then the cock, go and throw it away. Don't eat it, okay? Go and throw the cock away. Just the blood in it. Then you go and throw it away. Then you hold this thing. But if you like, you can eat it. But me, most time I don't have time for that the kind of meat again, so I just throw it away. Then you go and keep it anywhere in your house. You know that you keep it when nothing or nobody will disturb it. Then it is done. It is done. This is very, very powerful. It's not something I want to like joke. I've done it. I put all the ingredients in one place, okay? So try this and get back to me. Tested and trusted, okay? What do you like? If you find this video helpful, just like, all I need from you from this video is to like the video. And if you want any divination from me, contact me, okay? No human being is powerful, but you are vessel be used by God. See you guys in the next video. This is your case.